Hello, today we welcome you to the company TC Fahrzeugtechnik in Gütersloh. I am Thorsten Wiegand, Motul's key account manager for the chemical sector. Today we would like to introduce you to our new concept, MOTUL Refill. We serve small, medium and large workshops throughout Europe, not only with engine oil, but also with additives, cleaners, care products and concepts. It's a common mistake to use chemical brakes or cold cleaners to clean or degrease parts with a strong jet. But watch out! These chemical cleaners also attack surfaces and seals. They are hazardous to health and require a lot of effort for disposal and storage. Within the MOTUL Refill program, you can find the 3 most common chemical and technical products regarding repair and workshop. A label-free brake cleaner that gives off a certain baby shampoo scent, a cold cleaner with a menthol scent, and an environmental-friendly multifunction spray that smells like vanilla. With our refill products, we save waste, are environment and health friendly, have no storage or hazardous substances, and are more economical than the chemical cleaners. After applying traditional chemical cleaners with various chemicals, such as acetone and gasoline, a certain chemical smell remains in the air. Our 3 cleaners are environmentally friendly and health-friendly products that can be refilled at any time. The bottle can be filled up with fluid up to 90%, and since we don't use propellant gas, the pressure is built up via compressed air. There is enough compressed air available in every commercial workshop. The pressure is built up by compressed air, using a normal car valve, via plug-and-play. The filling takes place with a maximum of 6.3 bar. The system is equipped with a safety valve, so you cannot overfill. Since these cleaners are water-based, we do not need protective equipment. You can simply start spraying by hand. Depending on the manufacturer, conventional cans are filled with 40 to 60% of propellant. In the case of our products, we can fill them with cleaning fluid up to 90%, for example 650 milliliters. With our cans, you can not only spray through the conventional nozzle over a wide area, but also through a metal lens, precisely, into every corner. All 3 fluids are supplied in 20-liter canisters. With this new concept, we are breaking new grounds as an oil manufacturer, just as we did with our BioClean concept, green, biodegradable and label-free. So if you care about the environment, the health of your employees and the future, you cannot get around MOTUL Refill.
Kommt an MOTUL Refill nicht vorbei.